of white patent leather with beautiful lacing. Leather link in the first pinned comments under this video. Click. Today protection. The heel is 11.5 centimeters high. Lining material. These boots myself. The ankle boots are made of white patent leather lacing. Leather sole with anti-slip soft rubber protection. Soft rubber